notice those darker purples there that you see on radar? That is the leading edge of the snow. So Worcester, you will start to see a little bit of some snow probably within the next half hour. At least some snowflakes falling from the sky, starting as some light snow and then eventually switching over to some moderate.
Alright, so I'm going right now. It's going to start snowing in about an hour or so, so I'm just going to go pre-treat some of our parking lots. Both lots are done. We're heading back right now. We're gonna go load up with some more salt. It's just starting to snow now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just starting to come down, so it's gonna get messy real quick. It's already sticking, so I'm gonna go load back up with some salt just so we have some on the truck, and then we're just gonna hang out for a couple hours and let the snow do its thing. All right, this one's done. The other guys are at the other church. I'm gonna go back and hit the first and second parking lot I did earlier today because it's actually starting to rain now. So I'll just scrape it up. And then we'll determine if we're doing driveways. Just goes to show what we're dealing with right now. That's all pretty much ice from all the sleet and rain we've had, so I'm scraping that all off. There's almost like a half inch to an inch of it, so there's a lot of it.